Good day, everyone. My name is Slimel Imitalia. I will report about Art Nouveau. Art Nouveau, the ornamental Art Nouveau design style, emerged in France in the late 19th century and became widely popular across Europe with the style applied to the art, architecture, poster, jewelry, furniture, and textile. Although Art Nouveau had fallen out of the fashion by the 1910, contemporary design and illustrators are how revisiting and modernizing the style to the bring an emotive, romantic quality to their work. Here we look at the defining characteristic of the Art Nouveau movement and how you can emulate the style in your own design. And the second one, objective. Objective. Be able to identify defining features of the Art Nouveau. Second, to gain insight into the key figures and artists who shaped the Art Nouveau movement. And third, learn about the origins of the Art Nouveau as a departure from the traditional artistic styles in the historical content in which it developed. The other objective features of Art Nouveau. Art Nouveau and the international style of the art and architecture that was popular from the late 19th century until the early 20th century is characterized by the several distinctive and one organic forms and natural motifs inspired by the nature and Art Nouveau incorporates following sinuous lines and the curves as well as the floral and plants motifs. Number two, curved lines. The use of the elegant whiplash curves and undulating forms is a hallmark of Art Nouveau, often seen in both the decorative and the structural elements of the style. And the third, intricate detailing. Design Designs often feature integrate patterns in the detailed organization which can be seen in the everything from architecture to the furniture and jewelry. In the last, influence forms other cultures. Art Nouveau was influenced by the art and the design of the various cultures including Japanese prints in Islamic art which contributed to its diverse and electric uh, aesthetic. And the second one, what is Art Nouveau? Art Nouveau in new art was an exotic, decadent, and the contemporary departure from artistic tradition. Second, it emerged as a response to the outdated historicism and allied with the classical architecture and design. And the third, artists sought to the revolu- revolutionize art and create something entirely new. The second one is brief history of Art Nouveau. As you can see, this pictures. This is the most popular painters, and the first pictures is this is William Morris, and the second Alfonso Moca, and the third Gustav Klimt. Were um, the brief History of Art Nouveau. The brief of history of Art Nouveau, which means new art in the French, emerged in the late 19th century and was prominent from about 1890 to 1910. Its development can be traced through the following key points. The style emerged as the reaction against the academic art, electric, electric, eclecticism, and histro, historicism of 19th century architectures and design. It drew inspiration from the arts and the craft movement in England, which emphasized craftsmanship and natural forms. The first Art Nouveau Spain from the early 1890s to the First World War. Second, inspired by the plant forms in nature. Third, the movement emerged during a time of immense, immense technology advancement. Fourth, it both embraced in the relative against in the industrial revolution, celebrating craftsmanship while in decorating industrial stylization. As you can, as what I said, this is the most popular paint artist, William Morris, Alpa, Alphonse Mocha, and Clastive Clement were key figures. That's all with my report, and I will give to the next reporter.